Well, that's it. Cyberdream is the worst thing. Because this sound looks very loud.
I don't want to give us cyber dreams. My big sister's childhood says stop it. This looks very loud at this.
Hoppy, Bobby, listen to me. Cyberdream used the kids cheering sound effects in Shape's video, Happy Birthday to You and Feeling song. This sound looked very loud.
Everyone calm down. Cyberdream is the Japan kindergarten with learning English.
Gosh, Catnap, you make my headphones with you? Because the kids cheering got kill everyone's ears. And also thanks for watching me, and goodbye.